We're nearly there. 11 bridges at the Mbudzi Interchange project are complete, with construction diligently progressing on the final 4 bridges. Upon completion, the Mbudzi Traffic Interchange will have 15 bridges. For passers-by, it's a blessing. Mbudzi roundabout had become a major source of frustration for motorists, as it was increasingly overwhelmed by traffic, leading to hours-long delays for those passing through. In April 2022, an ambulance crew responding to a traffic accident near Wachikoka turnoff along the Harare Masvingo highway had a torrid time passing through Mbudzi roundabout on account of heavy traffic. Council had to enlist the services of police and radio stations to help clear the way for the ambulance and fire brigade. Now, thanks to the Second Republic, Harare is finally saying goodbye to the much-loathed traffic circle. Project engineer Brighton Chidjete gives an update on the project.
Mbudzi Interchange is the first interchange in Zimbabwe and is going to be the largest interchange outside South Africa within SADC. This Mbudzi Interchange is going to be crucial since it is strategically important not only for SADC but for Africa as a whole.
Site engineer Terence Masunungure highlights the benefits of the construction project.
Part of the Mbudzi Interchange project is to upgrade the linking roads. So there is bridge construction to allow free-flowing traffic.
Mr. Zimbodza has been using the road for a while and says they would spend close to an hour just to get to work.
After hours,
Norbert Nerudzo, the workshop charge at the construction company, takes pride in that locals can take up such massive projects.
Mbudzi Interchange, to be honest, considering that is the first of its kind in our country, more so that is being done by us, the Zimbabweans. It's really an awesome thing that we can do it, and already based on the progress that we have gone so far, because we are almost there, it's already been proven that we can do it. I know we as blacks, many people don't believe that we can do something that can work out. But from our side as the workshop, we are the supporting departments. We are there to provide the equipment for the production team to do what they know best.
The interchange is being built at the intersection of Simon Mazorodze Road, Chitungwiza Road, and High Glen Road. The intersection was previously managed by a roundabout, but increasing traffic brought lock jams, especially during morning and evening peak hours, as traffic would go 2/3 of the way around the roundabout, basically blocking those on other roads from accessing it.